Last time, we watched the sunrise. We stood on distant worlds, saw shadows stretch across alien landscapes, and felt just how small a planet can be. But we stopped too soon, because beyond the last sunrise of our journey, the universe continues. Tonight, we go farther. Even after visiting the famous planets, so much of our solar system remains. There are moons hiding vast oceans of liquid water beneath their icy shells. Asteroids rich with the same metals we build our world from, and comets, frozen time capsules older than Earth itself. Every single object out here is a remnant from the birth of our sun, a clue to our own origins. And yet, this entire vast family, with all its worlds and wonders, is only a tiny bubble in something far, far greater. We begin to travel outward. We move past the orbits of the planets. We glide through the scattered, frozen comets of the Oort cloud, the very edge of the sun's gravitational kingdom. We push on beyond the reach of the solar wind, that constant stream of particles that flows from our star. Looking back, the sun, which was once an enormous life-giving furnace in our sky, becomes just another point of light. A particularly bright one, but a star nonetheless. If you didn't know it was home, you might never notice it among the countless others. We have now entered interstellar space. It is cold, unimaginably thin, and truly immensely empty. But the stars are not just scattered randomly across the void. They are suns, just like ours. Some are smaller, cooler, and redder. Some are giants, burning fiercely blue, and we now know that many of them have planets. Around some of them, perhaps another civilization might be watching their own sunrise, looking up at their night sky, and wondering the very same thing we are. Are we alone? Our telescopes have shown us that planets are everywhere. We've found blistering hot worlds where the surface is a permanent ocean of molten lava. We've discovered frozen giants far larger than Jupiter. There are even planets that orbit two suns, experiencing a double sunset every day. And among this cosmic zoo, there must be others. Quiet blue worlds with swirling white clouds and gentle rain. Statistically, our galaxy may contain hundreds of billions of chances for life to begin. When we pull back even farther, the true scale of our home begins to reveal itself. The spiral arms of the Milky Way appear, a swirling city of light. Our sun is only one star among a population estimated to be between 100 and 400 billion, a single grain of sand in a cosmic metropolis. If you could travel at the speed of our fastest spacecraft, crossing our galaxy from one side to the other would take longer than all of human civilization has existed. And still, this entire galaxy is only one of many. Galaxies themselves gather in groups, bound together across the ages by the invisible hand of gravity. Our nearest giant neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, is currently moving toward us. In about 4.5 billion years, our two galaxies will merge. But this won't be a fiery, destructive crash. Instead, it will be a slow, majestic cosmic dance. The stars are so far apart that most will simply pass by one another, their paths altered by gravity, their solar systems remaining intact. Space is so vast that even entire galaxies can collide gently. At the heart of most large galaxies, including our own, lies something extraordinary, a supermassive black hole, a gravitational titan with the mass of millions or even billions of suns, all crushed into a single point. It doesn't wander through space hunting for stars. It simply sits an anchor of immense gravity while the entire galaxy, a sea of light, gracefully revolves around it. A dark, silent heart in a brilliant spiral. When we pull back even more to the largest scales we can observe, we see that galaxies aren't scattered randomly either. They form patterns. They are arranged in colossal threads and filaments, stretching across unimaginable distances, separated by vast empty voids. The entire universe has a structure like neurons in a cosmic brain or a web of cities connected by glowing sweat. This is the cosmic web, and we somehow are a part of it. So, where are we in all of this? Let's reverse the journey. We zoom back in through the filaments of galaxies toward one particular cluster. Inside that cluster, we find our local group. Inside that, a familiar spiral galaxy we call the Milky Way. We fly through its arms, past nebulae and starfields, toward one ordinary-looking yellow star. And around that star, a small blue world circles quietly. On that world, fragile creatures made of stardust are trying to understand the whole. We are trying to map infinity from our tiny outpost. We are trying to give meaning to the dark. The farther we travel into the cosmos, the more enormous and overwhelming the universe becomes. Yet something unexpected happens. Instead of feeling smaller and more insignificant, our home begins to feel more precious. Every sunrise seems rarer, every moment of life more unlikely, more beautiful. We set out on a journey to explore the cosmos, and in doing so, we discover why Earth matters so much. The journey outward, in the end, brings us right back to where we began, but seeing it for the first time. Thanks for watching.